Hello everyone, today I'm going to show you how to sign in Minecraft Education Edition in 2026. Make sure to watch the video to the end, not to miss any important details. Like and subscribe. All you have to do is to make sure that you have your own email from your school or from your university. It's probably gonna be something similar to @unideb or @school or @whatever you want, and it's going to be your own personal email that the school has given to you. And then open the game. Once you open Mojang for Minecraft Education, it's going to show you this pop-up right here to sign in. And once you click on sign in, and then from here, it has to be a work or school account. So for example, for me, I can put it like that. And then once you log in with your Minecraft and school identity, then make sure that you just sign in with whatever your identity is right here. And then once that is done and your school account is signed in, then all we have to do is just to wait one moment and then simply just let it sign in, and you are welcome right here. And now you can join the game and play fully just like that. And that's pretty much it. Thank you guys for watching. See you next time. Bye bye.